Alright, I'm Jacob Martin.
I'm Austin Burke.
And I'm RJ Familera.
Our company is called Never Sleep Safety Systems, and our product is called Sleepless by us. The need for this our product is the statistics of crashes caused by fatigued drivers has gone up since 1994. The approach is we're using a already developed developed idea and applying it to the problem that we've found. It measures your brain waves, and certain brain waves show when you're sleeping and when you're more attentive to what's going on around you. So then once it measures that, we have it hooked up to a sensor or a radio speaker and a light, so when your brain levels fall lower, it goes off.
So you want to turn on the
Switch.
It may take a minute to calibrate, but essentially what we're doing, we have the attention value, which is an average of the waves that run while you're awake and paying attention to things. And so we basically, through testing and just trying to figure out where the range was when you're kind of starting to get drowsy, starting to space out, just between the three of us, we set a threshold so that when you get to that point, the buzzer and the light go off. And so as soon as the idea behind it is then that would notify you and you'd wake up and you'd start to pay attention more. And so as you can see, he's starting to fall asleep and the buzzer would start to go off. So that's the general idea behind it. This is just our graph, where the attention value is. It's on a number scale of 0 to 100, but it's not like a value with units. It's just kind of our way of quantifying it so we can use it in the program.
The market for this, the only competition we have right now is a couple companies, one facial recognition and the other one through the position of your head. This is the positions of your headpiece. It costs anywhere from $9 to $15 and it's very crude when it comes to sensory. You can just tilt your head in a random direction while you're driving and it's going to go off. The one that's integrated into the whole car's interior and in their dash costs thousands of dollars compared to, we estimated this cost for us to produce it was about $100. So the overall cost would be relatively cheap. Some improvements to be made is definitely make it more presentable to the eye, maybe even making it wireless to connect to the computer in the car. That's about it. Any questions?
Awesome, good ideas. Which car has that camera?
No, that's a crash car, and that's a family that you want to save.
Oh, okay, but this competition here,
This is, these are
that's that nap zapper? Okay, yeah. Got it. I like it. So how are you making it buzz? Are you actually trying not to think about something?
We turned it off so that it wasn't interrupting.
It's pretty hard to do right now.
Yeah, because I'm trying not to focus, but focus at the same time.
Yeah.
But yes, that's what would be going on if we'd be falling asleep.
So you homed in on the attention?
The attention is just like it's the average of these certain waves. These certain waves measure what you're thinking, or not what you're thinking about, but the amount of thought you're putting into something. Okay. So with certain waves, with their averages, it calibrates a number here, a representation of these waves here.
And unfortunately, my attention is way too high.
Take deep breathing.
I need to be. It's very good because it detects when you're genuinely tired and falling asleep, and actually it's fairly sensitive to when you're not even paying attention. So
have you tested it in another situation like this? Kind of like maybe when you were studying? Or?
We tried social networking and a little bit of video games, stuff like that, but we didn't want to try it while we were driving.
Well, no, just for other. No, yeah, definitely not.
But, he has a point. Imagine doing this while you're studying for finals.
Yeah, and it would actually.
Did it buzz? I mean, do you agree with it when it was buzzing you?
Yeah.
You were